Hackmann Lawn Quiz Show. Welcome to the Hackmann Lawn Quiz Show. You're the contestant today, so let's test your full lawn care knowledge. Question 1. Aeration. Question 1. Why is fall the best time to aerate your lawn? A. Because the neighbour said so. B. Because your mower told you so. C. Cooler temps help roots grow strong. Lock in your answer. Question 2. Overseeding. Next up, overseeding in fall does what? A. Fills in bare spots for a thicker lawn. B. Keeps squirrels entertained. C. Makes mowing harder. What do you think? The answer is A again. Overseeding in fall creates a fuller, greener lawn come spring. Question 3. Fertilization. Final round. Fertilizing in fall is important because A. It strengthens roots before winter. B. It's like a midnight snack. C. It makes your lawn smell fancy. Got your answer? The correct choice is A. Fertilizing in fall gives your grass the nutrients it needs to thrive next season. And that's it. You just aced the Hackmann Lawn Quiz Show. Remember, aeration, overseeding, and fertilization in fall equal sign a winning lawn. And if you'd rather skip the test and get straight to the A+ results, call Hackmann Lawn and Landscape. We'll take care of it the easy way.